Alright, this is a project that I'm working on for a friend of mine, Mr. Ralph Austin's 1993 Jeep Wrangler. He asked me to figure out what's wrong with it. It had a misfire, so I tuned it up, put plugs, wires, distributor cap, rotor. He asked me to do that anyway. Still had a misfire, so doing a load bank test or a cylinder load test, I determined that number 4 piston or number 4 cylinder wasn't firing by switching the injector connector from 3 over to 4 and from 4 to 3. And the problem, number 3 injector fired with number 4 wire. So anyway, I determined it was still number 4. So determined it was an injector. So pulled the fuel rail out and injectors out, and this is what I found. So I'm get it focus. So it's first I ever seen that, but that's dirt clogging this injector. That's there was a huge amount of dirt in the fuel rail. So this thing was clogged up with dirt and couldn't fire. So injector's probably okay. I just got to figure out where to clean this crap out and then see if I can get it to fire, and then I'll put it back in. But anyway, if I can't get it to fire, I'll replace it. But just wanted you to see how much dirt was in this system.